Good afternoon, everyone. Jill here with North Texas Vegetable Gardening, Canning Recipes, a little everything. It is me again. So what am I going to do today? I know a lot of you have inquired about the Harvest Right freeze dryer. I'm going to rehydrate 4 hamburger patties, and I'm going to throw them on my griddle out there. And I know a lot of you like the video I put up, I guess about a month ago, on hamburgers on the griddle. And we're going to fry these up, and we're going to see how they do and do a taste test. Stay tuned. So we freeze dried these hamburger patties on 8/2, which today is the 12th, so it was about 10 days ago. I'm going to rehydrate them, and we're going to throw them on the griddle. Let's check these babies out. So you can see here I have 4 hamburger patties. So we're going to put them in some cold water, and we're going to let them sit a little bit, and then we're going to fry them up. What does freeze-dried hamburger patties look like? They look like that. Sorry guys, ran out of room, so I'm gonna have to change my pan. We're gonna put them in my roaster pan here. And we're gonna see what they do. I have high hopes for this, guys, high hopes. Can't wait to see how these things rehydrate and how they cook up. They've been soaking up the juice for about 25 minutes. I went ahead and put some steak sauce and some Worcestershire on it. And before I put them on the griddle, I'll salt and pepper them. All right, guys, it took them a couple of hours to rehydrate. Now we're going to throw them on the griddle and see what we get. We want the griddle really hot. I got me some cheese over here. So let's see how these turn out. All right, guys, they cooked up like some hamburgers, and put some cheese on them. So now I'm gonna do the taste test. But let's give you a close-up look here. They smell really good. So let's cut here and see. Whew. It's looking pretty good. Now, let's give it a taste. I don't know what to say. Woo. My doggy's getting out. So, it took about 2 hours to rehydrate. We popped them on the griddle. Wow. Wow. So I can say with confidence that on the griddle they are wonderful, and I'm pretty sure I can say with confidence if you put it on a charcoal grill or a wood grill, you're going to be very happy. So, success on the freeze-dried hamburger patties. We have a lot more that we packed up. Tomorrow the Schwann's man's coming by. I'm going to get some more. I'm going to be freeze drying some more in our freeze dryer. So excited. So you guys stay tuned. Again, go check out. I'm going to put the link on the Harvest Right freeze dryer in down below, so that you guys can go check it out. Sorry, I'm getting a phone call right now. But anyway, so it's $400 off right now and free shipping. So if you're interested, you need to go check it out pretty quick. From what I understand right now from one of my other subscribers, it's a 4 to 6 week lead time, which when we ordered ours, it was a 10-week lead time. So it has come down a little bit. Guys, stay tuned. Take care. God bless. We will be in touch.